We're now looking at a image that has the dreaded overexposure problem. Notice that the image is looking a little too bright, and because of that we've lost a lot of the detail around the nose, around the lips, around the face. The face has become kind of blown out. Well, this is a great opportunity to use the highlight part of the shadow highlight filter. So let's go to the image adjustments, choose shadow highlight, and here's a filter. In the default setting, it affects the shadows. For a little bit more information on this filter, please look at the other video that we did on the shadow highlight where we fixed the shadows. This time we're just going to zoom through this one pretty quickly for the highlights. So let's remove the amount to 0 because we don't want to play with the shadows, we want to play with the highlights. What we're going to do is as we move this up, watch what happens. See how it brings back some of the detail in the highlights. What it's doing right now is it's actually darkening the highlights in the image and bringing back the detail. Very, very incredible filter. Let's click on show more options. On the other video we already talked about the radius and the tonal width, what it does. Well, the highlight is the exact opposite. What it does with the tonal width is as we increase it, as we decrease the amount, it's only working on the brightest parts of the image. As we move the tonal width up, it'll start to affect the midtones. See that? See how it's affecting the image, and see how the midtones are now looking too dark. So we'll just bring that back a little bit. So we're affecting it somewhere in the middle. Click OK to apply that filter. And there is the image with a little bit more detail brought back into the face. We can undo this and show you before. Let's have a look. Edit, undo it. There it is before, and there it is after. Very useful filter.